Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OBS lag. The focus is on ensuring OBS or Streamlabs runs with the highest priority on your computer. Solution 1. You need to close OBS. Then navigate to your OBS Studio folder. Right-click at OBS 64-bit, choose Properties. Go to Compatibility tab, tick it Run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. This action is crucial because it allows OBS to get processing priority over other running applications like Discord, music, or a video game. Without setting OBS as a priority, your stream may suffer from issues like frame skipping, dropped frames, and lag, particularly if your PC is under a heavy load. Solution 2. Open OBS settings at bottom right, at Video tab. Make sure your base and output resolution are the same resolution. Now head to Advanced tab. Scroll down, then tick at the box Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. Hit Apply and OK. Solution 3. I guide you through disabling the preview mode in OBS. This step is simple but significantly impactful. You just need to right-click next to the preview window and select Enable Preview to turn it off. Doing this reduces the load on your processor considerably during streaming, as it only needs to process the game image instead of both the game and the stream preview. Solution 4. Try to remove or reduce overlays. These can consume a lot of processing power and slow down your game. In conclusion, I emphasize that by following these 4 steps, running OBS in administrator mode, adjust settings, disabling preview mode, and minimizing the use of overlays, you can significantly improve your OBS streaming experience. Like and sub if you find this video helpful.